Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study history like a story. First, shift your perspective from memorizing dates to understanding narratives. Think of historical figures as characters and events as plot points. This approach makes learning more engaging and helps you connect information naturally. By seeing the flow of events, you'll grasp the bigger picture and retain details much more easily. It's about finding the human element in the past. To truly understand history as a story, delve into the characters. Who were the main figures and what drove them? Were they seeking power, justice, or survival? Understanding their motivations helps you empathize with their choices and see the human drama unfold. This isn't just about names and dates. It's about the hopes, fears, and ambitions that shape the past. It makes history feel alive and relatable. Every good story has a plot, setting, and conflict, and history is no different. Understand where and when events took place and how the environment influenced decisions. Follow the chronological order, noting how one event directly leads to another. What were the major struggles, and how were they resolved or not? This helps you build a coherent narrative in your mind, making complex periods much clearer. To truly master history as a story, actively engage with it. Don't just passively read, question, analyze, and discuss. Imagine yourself in the shoes of historical figures, considering their dilemmas. Reading original documents can give you a direct connection to the past, offering unique perspectives. This active participation transforms history from a dry subject into a captivating and memorable journey, enriching your understanding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.